Is your Chevy Camaro struggling to keep a stable Apple CarPlay connection? Statistically, most infotainment glitches are resolved with simple software updates or by replacing a worn-out data cable. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by testing a high-quality cable, clearing old Bluetooth pairings, and performing a hard restart of the MyLink infotainment unit. Software conflicts are frequent, so ensure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and check for any available GM infotainment updates. If software is clear, check your phone port for pocket lint and inspect the Camaro console USB port for physical damage. Try these DIY steps first, but if the unit remains unresponsive, it may indicate a deeper hardware issue requiring a professional shop visit. Data shows that cable failure remains the leading cause of connectivity dropouts among Camaro owners. For advanced troubleshooting, a full system power cycle by disconnecting the battery can sometimes reset stubborn communication modules. Keep these items in your trunk to handle most basic connectivity issues while you are out on the road. Persistence in testing the simplest variables first will save you from an unnecessary trip to the dealership. If these steps helped, hit that subscribe button for more Camaro maintenance tips.